Okay, second part is a very quick recap of rationalizing the denominator. So if I wanted to rationalize the denominator of something like 9 over 3 root 3, what I'm trying to do is get rid of this root on the bottom line of my fraction. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to times the top and bottom by root 3. So I'm going to multiply the top by root 3 and the bottom by root 3, because that's just the same as multiplying by 1. I'm not changing it. So the top line becomes 9 root 3. The bottom line, root 3 times root 3 is root 9 or 3. And then I can do some simplifying. I can divide both top and bottom by 3. So that would be 1 and 3. So my answer is going to be simply 3 root 3. Right, remembering the rule for the difference of two squares, if I had root A plus root B times root A minus root B, there, as two brackets, if I multiply those out, that's the difference of two squares. So root A times root A, or root A squared, is just A, and root B times root B, or root B squared, is just B. So that is a rule we know. So if we want to use that rule, if I had something like 7 plus root 5 on the top and 3 plus root 5 on the bottom, if I wanted to simplify that, or rationalize the denominator, sorry, not simplify, I want to times the bottom by here. If one's a plus, one's a minus, we can see that we're getting an answer here with no surd in it. So I'm going to multiply by 3 minus root 5 on the top and 3 minus root 5 on the bottom. So the top line will become 7 plus root 5 times 3 minus root 5. And you can either multiply at the bottom, or we can use this rule. It's just going to be 3 squared, which is 9, minus root 5 squared, which is 5. And the top line is going to become 21 minus 7 root 5 plus 3 root 5 minus 5. And 9 take away 5 is 4 on the bottom. And if we simplify the top, 21 take away 5 leaves me with 16. Minus 7 root 5 plus 3 root 5 is minus 4 root 5. And the bottom line is 4. And I can now divide 4 from every term. So each term, I can divide that by 4 to get 4. That by 4 would leave me with 1. That by 4 would leave me with 1. So it's simply going to be 4 minus root 5 as my final answer. So once you're happy with that, let's have a go at some questions. Again, these are up in the post, but we're going to do page 10, exercise 4.2, and again we'll do the left-hand side. So just to clarify what I mean, for the left-hand side, we're going to do question 1A, 2A, 3A and E, 4A, and then do all of 5, 6 and 7 at the end.